Pyros. Isn't that a godly sound of 44 weeping willows? Oh my god. Tonight. Alright, Pyros, we are back with Pumpkin Chunkin by Flashing Fireworks. This promotion goes out to Blazing Glory Fireworks. I know, we haven't seen one in a while, right? Well, just been busy, guys, and haven't got a lot of material right now, but look, they're delivering. Thank you, Blazing Glory Fireworks. Happy Halloween, guys. Don't do this to me now. Don't fail me. Yes. Oh, faithful. Okay. Fireworks, guys. Blew me on my fucking feet. Knocked me right out of my ass. And it's fucking strobing out. All cool. Oh, I should have done that first. I'm sorry, Pyros. I failed you. But that was still badass epic. Get you smashing, pumpkin smishing, motion moshing, fucking flashing fireworks. Epic. Thank you. Love Pyro promotions, donations, delivers. Promoting that was so fun. I enjoyed it. It was great. Remember, guys, Nightmare Crafters. Check. Enter the winner circle. Enter that winner circle. Peace out, Pyros. Oh, special announcement. Special announcement. My wife will be on video soon. I'm not going to tell you why, but guess what? You are not going to believe it. When you hear this message coming up, you won't believe what you're going to hear. Stay tuned, Pyros. It's going to get epically crazy epic. More epic than I've been epic. More times than I can say epic. Epic.